Hello, this is ICEGEL. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Today, we will make this amazing art with gemstone gel. Firstly, make sure to apply base gel to protect your nails. We will use Gemstone Gel 1320 as a base color. Gemstone gel has natural pearl powder that changes the colors depending on angles. Draw a circular shape with a ball stick as shown in the video. It doesn't have to be exactly circular shape. Unlike other products, Gemstone has fine pearl powder, so you can easily express this art. We will add more details with ICEGEL Champagne Quartz 1309. Champagne quartz has non-allergic powder and glitter that goes into cosmetics. Champagne quartz has high-quality glitters to draw a perfect line at once. Now apply ICEGEL Guard Gel to maintain the color for a long time. Lastly, finish with a top gel. We have more colors behind. Make sure to watch till the end. This time we will use Gemstone Gel 1324. This time we will use Gemstone Gel 1334. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe us and hit the like button.